Hi everyone, my name is Suraj and welcome to my project demo for Oasis Infobyte Python programming internship. Now today I'm demonstrating my voice assistant project Atlas as a desktop assistant.
Good afternoon. I'm Atlas, your voice assistant. How can I help you?
So this is my voice assistant that can understand voice command response using speech. It can grade user till current time, date, search for information on over the web or the Wikipedia, and it can also able to take a command like open google.com, youtube.com like that. It built using Python along with libraries like speech recognition for understanding voice for PyText 3 for voice converting to a text speech and Thicker for the graphical interfaces. Now let me show some live demo how exactly my Atlas voice assistant work. What time is it?
The current time is 4:57 p.m.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for you.
As you see, Atlas can open YouTube just to saying open YouTube. Where the India is,
I couldn't find anything on Wikipedia for where the India is. You can ask me about the time, date, weather, search Wikipedia or open websites.
so let's try to find out some information like what is Python. What is Python? As you see,
There were
it
multiple
processing.
results. Here's what I found for Pythonidae. The Pythonidae, commonly known as pythons, are a family of non-venomous snakes found in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Among its members are some of the largest snakes in the world. 10 genera and 39 species are currently recognized.
So as you see, it can open YouTube, follow my commands. It can also tell what is the current date and also search information. So now that is my voice assistant project. It is demonstrates speech recognition, text to speech, API integration, and GU development using Python. Thank you, Oasis Infobyte, for this learning opportunity. The complete code is available on my GitHub. Thank you for watching.